So here's how to create an Amazon affiliate link in the best way. It is pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any of the important steps. The first thing you need to do is open up any browser and search Amazon.in. You will see a page like this. Scroll down and you will see a column of Make Money with Us. There are many methods to make money with Amazon, but we will select the Amazon Affiliate Program. Now, a new tab is opened. Click Sign Up. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. But if you don't have an account yet, click Create Your Amazon Account. Enter your real information and make your Amazon affiliate account. In my case, I have already created an Amazon affiliate account. After that, again search Amazon.in. Make sure that you have an Amazon affiliate account to generate the affiliate link. On the top left corner, you will also see the Amazon Associates Site Stripe option, which proves that you have an Amazon affiliate account. Now, search for your desired product that you want to promote on your website. You will see an option of Get Link in the top left corner. Click here. You will see that an affiliate link is created. Copy the link and paste it where you want.